So what are these images? There's been a long time rumors about DJI working on a lighter version of their FPV drone, which was quite successfully released some time back. I don't believe these renderings are real. I think they are fake. But in all cases, the guy that made these did a fantastic job. Let me show them to you with a little longer interval for you to enjoy this fantastic work. If you want to see the images in full, then I suggest that you follow the link for the description below, where there's a link where you can sign up for the Tech Drone media notifications, and then I will send out an email later today with the pictures in full res. It seems Jasper Ellens from 27 Degrees is on a roll right now. It's him that sent these pictures for me, and I was absolutely blown away when he posted those on Twitter yesterday. It looks like a really awesome successor. And as somebody in Twitter suggested, DJI should really hire this guy that has made these simulations, as I think they came out pretty well. Not simulations, but renderings. Let me know what you think. What is this? Is this real or is it fake? Let me know in the comment below. And in case that you want to follow Jasper Ellens for the latest leaks and rumors on the interweb, then of course, as always, there's a link for his Twitter channel in the comments below. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.